Hello friends, this particular video is about Git blame, and before proceeding to this video I would recommend the readers to watch the Git playlist, because in that playlist I have created the video on Git pull, Git push, Git merge, Git rebase, Git squash, Git stash and such exciting videos. So if you click on this link, you will get the link for the whole playlist here that I have written in a well structured and with good documentation and good practical doing, along with I was explaining the video. And I will add this documentation in the description so that you can go through this documentation and learn all other stuffs that we have seen in this playlist. So it talks about everything in a documented way, and when you see the video you can do it practically also. Wow, you're getting the two things in one video, isn't it good? Yes. Now this particular video would be about the Git blame. So first of all, what is Git blame? Is it something that we're blaming someone? Yes, we can really correlate it with some sort of blaming. For example, if there is any culprit who has did some mistake in a particular file, you can use this command to get the detail of each and every line of a particular file where you have seen some kind of issues there. So it will give you a lot of details about that particular file, when the commit was done, who did the commit, and also the line and the details of that line number, that what is being written in that line. Now I spoke some theory about this particular command. It would be very good and handy if we check out how we are going to discuss and implement the Git blame in the real life. Then we will see some of the tweaking factors that we can apply with this Git blame, so that we can get more vital information about what you're looking for. Then I will also help you to understand a command called as grep, and why it is needed. That's also a potential question that you may also make come into your mind. Okay friends, don't wasting any time, let's dive deep into the practical session now. So as I promised you that what basically Git blame does, for example, you think that a.py is a file where I need to look upon that details of each line. Then I write at git blame the name of that file. For example, the name of file is this. Wonderful. So it will give me the commits, the person who committed, then the timestamp, as well as the line, as I told you, the line number and what is written in that line. Now imagine that the line or particular file is a big, and you want to see only the first 5 lines of that particular file. Then you can use this way. So that is git blame, then with a flag as -l. For example, you want to start with the line 1 and you want to end at line 4. Remember, this 4 means the 4 is included, it is not excluded here. Then I write a.py. So you will see it will start from the line 1 and ends at the line 4. Now something comes to your mind and you think that no, I just want to see what were the changes that I made in a week, in the last week. Means from now till last 7 days, in the last 7 days history you want to see. You write here git blame, then you will add a flag since equal to 1.week. So this is written in the documentation, you can take the help from there. These are some of the flags that we can use it. These are also called as the parse arguments, which you can also learn about them, how it is passed about. Then you will write as the name of the file. So for example, you want to see here, but remember, when you see here you will see these negations. These negations means these are those commits and those details which were older than a week, and you don't want to include them. And here comes a concept of grab. So what I will do, I say, hey, please grab them. So what I need to grab them, I need to grab the things related to with this negation. And where this negation is here, but I want to negative it. I don't want to include it because these are something which is older than a week. So I do here, and you will see that, just give me a second please. Okay, you will see that for the last 1 week I haven't committed anything, because now when you remove the negations you will only see if any of your file you have updated in the last week. So in this way, you can play with the git blame. So two concepts that we introduced and we learned practically is that one is, if you want to see the details of some particular lines, that you can tweak it using the way one. Second is, if you want to understand what I did in the whole week, then you can grab with an active sign. Grab means we want to capture those changes, and what you can grab is we don't want any kind of negation signs. Okay, so you can grab them like this. So this is the way you can do it, and you can get details of a culprit, and it is only valuable if you really wanna to check that if something happens in the code in a particular file. You can check the details line by line, you can check the particular details, and you can also see the authors who have committed that particular line. Isn't it not amazing? Yeah. So hope you play with them, you play with the git blame. And also I would again urge and request the readers to watch this playlist. I will add this description in the description section, so that you can also play with other commands. We have added all the cases, we have added all the ways that we can learn all the cases with all the commands, and what is untrack, git ignore, how we can go through them and discuss them. So it will be very helpful for you, because version control is something which can leads to get a potential job. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.